Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install custom LED headlights or fog lights or whatever you call those on Scion XB 2005. So if you want to remove your original one, you can do this by grabbing it here and pulling it out like this. But this is how you insert this part in here, and the rest you just put in there. And another thing is that they can be easily stolen, or they may fall out on their own because the wind is blowing this way, and over time if those plastics get bad, it may start to fall out. So I would recommend using some silicone or something to when you install it. And also here you can adjust the way you want it. So these are custom ones, and they come with this computer. So what I'm gonna do is just connect these two, and then I'm gonna connect just the positive and the negative from the vehicle, from the original one wire, and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so this is what I did here. I put silicone on top and bottom. Now I'm gonna install this electronic. Okay, so this is the wire that goes for the headlights or lamps, and as you can see, mine is broken over here, so I have nothing to lose. But if you want to save this right here, you can just cut it off like further away, so you can connect it again if you want to. Okay, I'm just gonna grab these. You don't want to cut them like two at the same time, because if your battery is connected, you might get a short one. So like this. Okay, so I'm gonna connect this one. This is the electronic. That's the wires I'm gonna connect to. And I'm gonna connect the shortest one, the closest one here, and then put this wire on the other side. Okay, I think I'm gonna put this wire inside over there and put the bumper on first and pull all the wires on the inside. So I disconnected the electronic. Because otherwise wires will go like somewhere here and I won't have any problems. Okay, now I got this wire on the inside here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the other wire. I'm not gonna need this one because it's custom already, so I just need one, so I'm gonna put this one somewhere here and zip tied so it wouldn't be sagging around. Like this. Okay, so this is what I did. Pull the wire like this. This is the electronics here, and I'm gonna put this wire inside here and connect it. Connect this one here. There we go. Now I can pull the wire back in here as much as possible. Now I can install the bumper cover and take it from there. Okay, so we checked these wires and there's no power in them, so I don't know why. And same to this one, on the other side there's no power. So what we're gonna do is connect to this marker light here, and we already found that this is negative. This white and black is negative, and this one on the left, green and orange, is the marker light. So I'm gonna connect here. I'm gonna connect the red one here, and the black one here. Okay, so I put this electronic box over here and put the zip ties around it. If you need to extend, you can use two short ones together. Okay, so I put two zip ties around that thing. Just gonna cut those off. Why I put it over there? Because it's safer from the water. You don't want to put it somewhere here where the water gets in. Now what you want to do is check if the lights will actually work before you solder them. Okay, I have connected to check if they work. I turned on the marker lights, and as you can see, they work. They both work. If you turn on the headlights, they should work as well, because the marker lights stay on. Okay, open. And put it back in, and put all the wires where I'm gonna pull the wires here somewhere. Okay, so they're all connected. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.